Hey everybody, welcome back to the Maniac. I've got a requested video for you today. We're starting off with color Hot Topic. This is from the Metallic collection from Glitter Planet UK. You guys did request swatches after my unboxing video the other day, so you can see I've sped up the part where I'm actually laying out the acrylic just so we're not here all day, as with the other swatch videos I've done. Um, this metallic collection, sorry that picture's a little fuzzy, but this metallic collection is so beautiful in person, and no matter what I tried, I could not get the camera to pick it up. So this lovely orange color is called Sunset, and they just all have the most gorgeous shimmer to them, obviously being metallic colors. They're just, honestly, it just does not do them justice. Our yellow called Sunshine. It was fun trying to get the camera to focus. All right, Peacock Green. This is it's one of my favorite colors. And actually, there is one more color in the metallic collection. They accidentally sent me two of these, of the Peacock Green. Maybe I'll do a giveaway on a future video, but um, yeah, they sent me an extra one and they were so great. This is a beautiful color also, steel blue. I emailed them and literally the next day they had it sent out and it's actually scheduled to be delivered today. So I will add it on to just another video. It's a color called Bora Bora and it is this beautiful blue, a brighter blue than this. This steel blue is kind of a gray blue. Next up is Romance, also a gorgeous color. I mean, they're all beautiful. So gorgeous. But yeah, there was that one color missing, which I was super sad about, but they fixed it right away and super fast shipping to get it over to me. So thank you, Glitter Planet. You guys are amazing. Next up is Elegance, which is just a really kind of rosy pink color. Just beautiful. Next up is Chestnut, which is kind of a brown, but very pretty with the metallic in it. You kind of just see right in the center where the real color kind of shows through. So here is our top coat, and again, it's so hard to get the camera to do justice to what it looks like in person when you add these top coats. It's just so beautiful. Top coating is just my favorite thing about doing nails. I love putting the top coats on. And again, this one is called Sunset. That first one was called Hot Topic. Next up is Sunshine, our beautiful yellow. And again, Peacock Green. I just love this color. Look at how pretty. So glittery, sparkly. Steel blue, also beautiful. I just love metallics. I mean, anything with a shimmer or a glitter, I'm a sucker for it. overall, really fantastic collection from Glitter Planet UK. Thanks again to them for the fantastic customer service with that mistake, getting that other color sent out. I will put that up in a separate video and probably do a giveaway for that extra peacock green that I happened to get. So thanks for joining me on the Manny Maniac. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell for notifications. We definitely want you to come back. Hit me up in the comments section if you got anything for me, and we'll see you next time.